You're color grading for hours and the result still looks like shit. Then this video is perfect for you because I'm gonna show you my super simple process to get clean grades and make color grading fun again. We are in the color page of Davinci Resolve. We open Gallery, PowerGrade section, and I'm gonna drop in my PowerGrade. If you want to grab this PowerGrade, link in description. So let's start with the white balance. We open the Effects tab. If we want it colder, we drag it to the left. If we want it warmer, we drag it to the right. We are going for a warm fall vibe. So let's set it to 6000. We close the Effects tab. We check the exposure. We go to HDR. The exposure actually looks pretty good. I'm just gonna slightly up a little bit and I'm gonna go to the color wheels and slightly lower my highlights until I feel that it looks good. This is nice for me. The blacks, they look good. We are not really crushing blacks. Maybe we want to add just a little bit like this, and I might want to lower the midtones just like this. Then here I'm gonna check the car. For me, the orange is a little bit too saturated, so we go to hue versus saturation. We pick the orange here and slightly lower the saturation, something like this. Just a small difference. It makes it a little bit softer. Then we go to the vignette. Standard in the Note 3, it's set to the middle, pretty big. For this shot, I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller, which will make the outside of the image a little bit darker, so we have more attention going towards the car. Before, and after, that's it. Then the gradient, which will make the bottom of the screen a little bit darker. You can choose to your own liking. I'm gonna make it a little bit like this. So for me, this grade looks good. Now, let's say we want to copy all these ones. Command click, apply grade, and then you want to do the exact same thing. And if you want to compare some clips, you go to selected clips, you select two, and then you see a nice comparison. And you can also check your scopes to match your highlights, midtones, and shadows. That's it. This is my super simple process on how I color grade all my clips. If you want to know exactly how I filmed all these McLaren clips, camera settings, gimbal settings, all the good stuff, watch this video next.